it! There's a new PJ Masks! It's a baby Catboy. Ew. I heard he had better superpowers than the real Catboy. I need to take the baby Catboy and make him a ninjalino. Let's get baby Catboy out of the HQ. I wish I was bigger myself. Then it'll be easier to push the stroller. Woohoo! I'm in charge of the HQ today, and I'm only a baby. Owlette and Gekko let me play with their toys while they're out fighting Romeo. Isn't that awesome? I hope nothing goes wrong while I'm in charge of the HQ. Time for playtime. Oh no, a giant octopus is trying to go through the HQ. Hey, it's a Catboy just like me. Catboy will save the day. Catboy delicious. Hey, there's baby Catboy. This is my lucky day. Catboy. Oh no, it's Night Ninja. You're too cute to be a pjmasks. Hey, you have awesome toys. Why do you have ninjalino ones that have sticky splats? How do you get these? Why don't they have a Night Ninja that lights up? Nobody wants to buy a Night Ninja toy. Why don't they have some for me? Keep your grubby hands off my toys. Baby Catboy, you're gonna come with me. You're gonna be the best ninjalino ever. Come here. Oh no, where are you taking me? Hey, stop. You smell worse than me. Yay, I got baby Catboy. Yeah. Yay! He's pretty cute. Of course I am. I have super Catboy handsomeness. What superpowers do you have? I have tons of powers. Yeah. They are, Can you even walk? Do you have super cat speed? Super cat speed? Huh? Do you have super cat ears? What? What did you say? Say it louder. Can you jump out of the stroller? Super cat jump. How could I jump? I'm buckled in a stroller. What? He doesn't do anything. Why did I get this cat? Well, it's pretty cute, so. What's that smell? All I do is soil diapers. Oh no, he's on toilet train. Ew. Maybe I should take him back. Wait, I'll show you one of my superpowers. Super cat sneeze. Whoa, you have super cat sneeze? Maybe I should keep you. That's cool. I have sticky splats and sticky sneeze. Yeah, I'm cooler than the big Catboy. You're awesome. We're gonna be a great team. Yeah, until Gekko and Owlette show up and save me. I can't do anything because I'm a baby. I am Night Ninja. I'm Ninjalino. It's a baby Night Ninja. We have to teach baby Night Ninja to be a real ninjalino. First off, what do we do with our evil pjmasks? pjmasks. Sticky Sticky splat Gekko. Split. Sticky splat. Sticky splat. Sticky splat Catboy. Split. Sticky splat. And now that. Sticky splat. Sticky splat. Now it's your turn, baby. Whack. Ew, that's not sticky splats. That's baby splats. That's baby splats. Sticky splat. Sticky splat Catboy. We have to work on that later. Now let's do ninja moves. Now let's do ninja moves. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hiya, hiya. Now it's like this. Watch out for the baby. Now the baby does it. Now we should do some push-ups. 1, 2, 3. 10 is good enough. Come on, baby ninja, do 1. Come on, do a push-up.
He looks cute.
He's not even doing it. Yeah, he's like, he can't do 1. I guess that's enough for 1 day. Do you think the baby would be a good ninja? Sticky splat outlet. Splat. Baby cute sticky splat outlet. What? You like outlet? Uh-oh. I don't think you should be a ninjalino. I think he's a good ninja. What?
Okay.
The baby ninja is going to be the best. And Rex and subscribe. Like and subscribe and watch more videos with us. Bye. BB. And bye. And have a great day. Bonk. Sounds like this. Watch out for the